Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join Creator Fund on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on Creator Tools. And once you are here, you simply need to click on Creator Next and click on Join. So you must be eligible for Creator Next and you must complete all these criteria: have at least 1000 followers, have at least 1000 video views in the last 30 days, post at least 3 videos in the last 30 days, meet the age requirement. Once you complete that, you simply need to click on join, and once you join that, you are eligible for a Creator Fund. So this is a process by which you can join and get Creator Fund. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.